Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers that are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and here tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. Just tap on the option and tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Here we have to separately change the time range again, so just choose the option that you'd like to use and tap on delete data. And we just got back. Here we've got the information, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.